and we skip to the good part.
You've arrived at your destination.
Now everybody go to breakfast.
Okay, also I have landed, just waiting for our bags to come through, and then I'm gonna head outside and find my transportation and all of that. So yeah, y'all, immigration was just like, there was like no words. Like, and homegirl face was like, there was literally no talking. Anyways, yeah, that's what's up for the bags. Y'all got my room, and yeah, we're gonna head outside so I can find my transfer and all of that.
This bank is your own key. It's gonna be 150 if you lose it.
Okay.
And they're only gonna have included the minibar, room service 11 to 10, and the safe.
Got it. First drink for the day. I need to put my phone on the tripod thingy. So this is called Barcelo. This is one of their local drink, and I'm drinking it on the rocks. So pray for me. Drinking while hungry. Oh well. Oh shit. Woo. This need one like a chaser. This need a little chaser. Yeah, that's a little bit too strong for me. Yo, that drink there off of cheers. You can't drink that on the rocks. I am not that of an alcoholic to drink that on the rocks. That is wild. I'm putting the Wi-Fi on the phone. You know what? I don't need it. And the rain still a fall. Rain a fall like crazy. I don't understand. Alright, first agenda, we need to look for food. I'm actually going to download the app on this phone since I'm going to be vlogging with that phone. This is my old phone, so let me check into the Wi-Fi on this, and then log into the app. Find something to eat. Cheers to our first drink, y'all. Oh shit. Woo. So the guy says the checking is not until 3 p.m. Seriously. And I did ask him if there's any free upgrade. He said no. I asked him if there's any swim up, because I think the swim up is like a $30 or $40 additional per night. He said no, they're fully booked. But I did ask him to check the other days. If it's not today, probably check the 2 other days then, but I guess he never remember, and I didn't remember as well to remind him. So probably tomorrow I will ask. Swim up would be nice. When I was booking it, there wasn't any swim up, and he said I have a pool view. So when we get the room, we shall see. Alright, I need to walk to get something to eat. Alright, let me go find something to eat, and we shall see what's popping. But in the meantime, I will show you the lobby. It's gorgeous. It definitely reminds me of Jamaica. Ocean Faro. Oh, I'm at Ocean El Faro, and I'm at the other side of Beso. If y'all didn't see that. This is my second plate, and I don't like the smell of it. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. A joke, but I'm gonna taste it. I definitely don't like the smell, but let's taste it. Bro, that was the worst food I've ever had in my life. I think this is the worst food ever. The fish was raw, and I got the vegetarian Alfredo. Yo, the sauce, oh my god. I told you that it smelled weird. Yo, the taste, I actually asked for salt, and the salt never make it any better. Crazy. Almost time. That was the worst food ever I'm having in my life. Like the fish raw. When I fry, when I put it on the grill, I tell him to make it. I make the fish stay for like 2 more minutes on the grill, and there's something still raw. Like the pasta was my order, so I didn't even eat anything, even the white rice stuff. And then what's it called? The pasta that I ordered. I never tell you something smell it. The something smells so weird. It smells so weird. And then I said, alright, I'm still gonna try it. But I did ask for salt first. So I got salt and sprinkle like a salt on it and eat it. Oh my god, it's the worst Alfredo pasta I've ever had in my life. How am I gonna survive when I eat at a place here? We're gonna find something though that suits us. We better, because we're not supposed to pay so much money and none of the food I'm not going. Anyways, it's 2:30 something now. Check in at 3 o'clock. So I walk back to the lobby, have myself a drink, go to my room, change, and then we'll see what's up for the day. The hotel is literally the same setup like Ocean Coral in Jamaica, which I already knew that. Alright, cheers to our second drink. Yo, I be a lemon, me tasting of this. The only thing I'm tasting is lemon. I'm not tasting no vodka. No, sir. This hotel is not off to a great start. Oh, I ordered lemon drop, by the way. Literally, the only thing I'm tasting is lemon. That's just wild. Anyways, I was waiting for the room to like hurry up and be done. Like, they literally gonna check in at 3 o'clock. Like, It's early 3 o'clock where I get tricky. Nothing before 3. These people are exact. We shall see. The room better be good. The homeboy has about no upgrade in the day. I cannot drink this tomorrow. You see, this is exactly why I buy the Hennessy. Because I don't know how them drink it, and the drink what them have. It's just so, them drink options what they have is not make no sense. If you're privileged, then you get, more and more top. You get top liquor. But who pay for privilege? It matter. Even though privilege wasn't available when I picked it. Either way, would have been more money. I'm not gonna plan to spend that. But child, what it? Sir, but I'm gonna tip him now. I'm gonna tip him $2. I pray. I'm gonna try a different bartender and see. Okay, finally my room is ready. I'm 15304. So I'm just sitting outside, warm weather. Like I sweat out outside. So waiting on someone to take me to my room. Yo, may I sleep, like may I half sleep. I'm tired. Should I drink some coffee even though that not gonna work? Coffee don't work for me. Outside hot and look like we're not gonna fall again. It's a fall and stop. Like this weather is so bipolar. Literally.
I know you're gonna like it. I know you're gonna like it. I'm stepping up, Anaya. I'm stepping up, Anaya. So don't you fight it.
Okay, babe, so we are checked in and we're going. The time is 3 o'clock. Oh, my watch is 3, but in DR it's an hour ahead of Jamaica, so it's 4 o'clock now. Whew. Okay, as I walked in the room, what's that? It smells good, like them just cleaning like an hour ago, so it smells good. So I'm just, we'll talk about that later, but let's do the room tour. Then we're just gonna jump in the shower, get dressed, head out, and figure out what's our life. I talked to the bell guy. He said that they're gonna have a pool party tonight on the adult side where I'm staying. So I actually already knew about that, because let me tell you something. You see, when me and solo travel, me join every single group on Facebook. Hint, hint to anybody out there who want to travel solo. The Facebook groups will be your best friend. Just go in on Facebook, search the hotel that you're going, and if you see 10 group pop up, you join the 10 groups. Okay, they are very reliable. You will get all the details that you need. So I knew about the pool party Friday night because I saw somebody posted a video at night with bubbles. I said, wait, what night to keep? And she said Friday night. I was like, oh. And the adult side, she said yes. I was like, okay. And then I think on Saturday they have like a pool party as well, but it's on the family side. So yeah. Anyways, we need to get dressed. By the way, is that a fly? I like this, another big flight and a small flight. It's alright. We used to that. Jamaica will come from. But I can't recall just checking in one hotel and see one little bug in a Jamaica hotel still. I'm just saying. But room tour, and then yeah, I love my view. Definitely this almost the same layouts as Ocean Coral. I've been to both locations in Jamaica, Ocean Coral, the family side and adult side. So I know what me I talk about. Let's jump into this, because every time I say we're gonna jump in the room and I'll know I'm gonna do that. So let's get it cracking. We need to shower. We're sticky, outside is hot, and baby, it's time to enjoy our solo effing trip. the room is clean, but these curtains, they need to take this and wash them, put in some bleach, the curtain them something, yeah, the shutters, sheets needs to be washed. We're gonna leave that there. Oh, I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I really want to sleep. I'm not gonna lie, I really want to sleep. I have been up. Well, it's not 24 hours yet. Well, yeah, it actually is. Wow. Yeah, I haven't slept. I am super, super tired. So, yeah. Anyways, I checked the app. There's no reservation available, so I definitely have to do the stay. I think the stay code. Is this wet? Them could have Febreze this still. You know, smelling it just smells like a damp. Yeah, it's wet. Them could have Febreze it. It's like a damp. Why is it? Why is that? I don't know. You know what? I'm not a monk. I'm monk far because don't get it twisted. Alright, we really want to see. You know what? The first agenda is we're gonna pack out the stuff. Remember, I told you guys that I'm not a unpacker because I just think it's too much work. But I actually changed my mind because what I realized when I live out on my suitcase, it's just that I forget stuff that I can wear. If that makes sense, I don't have it lined up, so you know I don't remember what I brought, or you know, so everything is just in the suitcase, and then anything up on top, but just basically just wear it. So me hanging it out, and I've realized, I've thought about it, and when I watch videos as well, I see people do it. I was like, that's just too much work. And I thought about it. I was like, no, Carrie, it actually isn't. And then what happened is that when I sleep out on a suitcase, the thing is when I'm ready to leave and to pack up, I just throw everything in at one time, so the suitcase come like it bigger than how it came. So by you unpacking the stuff, and then when you're ready to leave, everything can be packed neatly, you're good to go when you're leaving. So yeah, we need to unpack, shower, and go down the road. That's what we're gonna do, because we're gonna enjoy our solo trip. That's what we're gonna do. And charge our phones. Okay, I forgot to tell y'all, I had many research and Facebook groups that I've joined. Multiple Ocean El Beso, El Faro Facebook groups. I have seen a numerous of people saying that money has been stolen from them room, out of them suitcase, literally even out of the safe. Multiple people, and a 1 and a 2 and a 10, multiple people complain about stuff, money, not even stuff, money specifically, and it's in the safe. Somebody else said them password they gone out of the safe, but then it eventually pop up. So when my black ass saw that, you know what homegirl did? We went on Amazon and we bought locks. Yep. So coming from Jamaica to here, I didn't put the lock on it, but once I land in the airport in Santo Domingo, come out of customs and whatever, customs and everything, I attached this. Because when I'm at the hotel, I don't want, you know, put it on. And either way, I wouldn't even get a chance to put it on, because as you reach the hotel, the bellboy, they're going to take it away. So you know me, put on this when I step out of the airport. Yeah. So you can't get in my things unless you literally pull it. So yeah. So hint, this is what I heard. So lock up your things in. My money and things, I gotta stay in your stuff. I mean, I gotta keep it different parts, of course. But yeah, nobody not gonna take it from me. So yeah. I also bought a safety lock for the door. As you guys can see, I don't really like the room here because there's no safety lock or latch. It's just the door alone. So I don't like this. So I did buy a door lock thing. Hopefully it work with the door. Like me pray to God it work with the door. If not work with the door, one of them chair and table, I'll go behind the door where the home girl sleeping. Safety first. Anyways, back to unpacking. But I just had to tell you guys about the lock and the reason why there's a lock, because our the Facebook group them say, yeah, just take heed. That's what I did. Alright, so the dresses and shoes and bags are packed out. I'm not gonna pack out everything. The swimsuits and undies and all of that is gonna stay in the suitcase. Remember, I'm gonna keep my money in my locked suitcase. Thinking if I should put the passport in my bag or in the safe. I should keep it in the bag. Well, nobody now let take for one passport. So what lie? Somebody in the group said then passport being taken too, but they got it back. It's just so well though. So I need to be careful. Alright, you know what? Before anything else, let's test the key. The lock for the door. Let's pray it'll work. And after that we get ready. Oh, I've decided I'm not gonna show and go down because it's literally moving to this is what? To 5:20 is 5, so this is 5 for me, so to 6 now for here. Why am I said 5 for me? So you know what, let's just stop and see what guys up with the time. So it's moving to 6 o'clock now and we're still hungry from the taste bad lunch, so just get ready, relax until I go down. More than likely I'm gonna have to stay at a buffet because the reservation are there. But the group also said if you want a sakura, like the hibachi and the steakhouse, like you have to book those at 8 a.m. sharp in the mornings via the app, or you walk down whichever place to start that out. So you see me know the things them, join the Facebook group them, and the hotel them wanna go overseas. Whether it's even Jamaica or overseas, do that. Or whichever country you're coming from, you join the Facebook group them. Very informative. And you can get little insights. If people, as it relates to some review, what will is not like a big deal to you will be a big deal to somebody else. But you can sit through, the whole bowl and the reviews. All right, let's check if this key thing is working. It better be, because we here. So this is it. It comes in a red and a black. I only bring one. Come say one front door and the sliding door. It wouldn't work with a sliding door. It's on my Amazon storefront. I'm gonna click the link down and buy. Just use my link to Amazon, please. Thank you. All right, let's try this. Pray to God this works. I'm probably not gonna see, so let me just test it on my own. Guys, it worked. It worked. So push the tea in the oil from the outside and hold on there. Okay, but you see me, I drag it and it's still weird like it won't bust through, so somebody can still come through it because watch it, look at it bust through the hole here, so right. But at least if somebody else try to come here, they can't hear the look of nice. But damn. I guess we have to go try to fix it go, but at least there's look at something. Watch it. Alright. Sorry, my battery's running low. Alright, at least it can hold it a little. Alright, so we're good to go. As long as we can hold it, we're good to go. So the way I'm kind of nervous for that place, yeah. Now I got my glasses then. I'm gonna keep them in my bag. Well, these I can put these in the closet. They may come from Shein. They may can. But they may worth a little. It's not $5, okay? So, yeah, we're gonna put them here in our lap bag just in case I have the music box as well. Yeah, expensive. We'll keep this in the lock suitcase. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All right, that's that. Dolls, so it's dinner time, so let's get into this fit. So we have our gold bag from Shein. I have on a few gold rings as well. These are from Shein. The press-ons are from Shein. My MK watch, and the dress is also from Shein, and I have on my white MK sandals. You guys will see that. But we're just going very simple tonight. Like, y'all, I am extremely tired. There's no makeup. We just did our lips, our brows, and yeah, our baby hairs. Okay, the adult hairs that we have going on. Yeah, so this is just a cute fit. We're gonna find somewhere to go for dinner. Y'all, I left my Hennessy down in the lobby. Yeah, so I need to go get. I called guest services and they said they found it. I was like, okay. Whew. So yeah, I'm gonna start drinking that tonight. I should have taken a shot today, but your girl was tired. So tomorrow we're gonna devour that, and yeah, I don't know how that bottle is gonna finish. But anyways, yeah, dinner. Oh, by the way, y'all, I saw some cobwebs. The people have not cleaned the place good. Oh. You know what? We're just gonna go and have some fun tonight. I think they're supposed to have like a pool party tonight. I don't know what one them and a pool party tonight, but we see. I don't even know if the pool is heated or not. But if they're gonna have pool party at night, the pool wouldn't be cold. It would be heated, right? We shall see. Oh wow! Outside my room has a nice view. This is definitely gonna be dark at night, even though the lights are there. But this is a very beautiful view. Wow, this is so nice. First of all, y'all, I walk all the way around Ayanda. Secondly, some mosquito that bite me up a while ago. Like, what the hell? When we hear some music a place, I walk towards that and see if I can figure out where the hell I need to go to get food. Yo, some mosquito out here, man. What the hell? Then they were telling me about a mosquito in the Facebook group. Crazy. I find where I'm going. Whoa, no man. The mosquito them. What's there? Can you see it? Oh my word. Okay, I am checking the menu right now. I'm just afraid to eat any more fish from them people because the one today was not well at all. You have lemon drop? Lemon drop.
Lemon?
Drop.
Drop. What is that?
It's vodka, lemon, and some other stuff. So, okay, what do you have?
Margarita, gin and tonic, tomato, beer.
No beer. Margarita? I'll have that, please.
Lemon, please.
Yes. Is the pork good? The pork
That's good.
I'll try that, please.
The starter.
No starter, just the main course. Yeah. Thank you. Bruh, if the pork not good, man, send it back. Period. Gracias. Yo, this one tastes good. Make a walk with me anything. What I'm gonna do is just to fill like the water bottle with some Hennessy and walk with that shit. And then I just ask for chase and then mix my own drink. The drink is not hitting so far. Hopefully I can find a bartender where, you know, mix me up. We shall see. The restaurant that I'm at is Pez Dama. Totally recommend it. Oh my god, the pork, the sauce that they use with it is wonderful. And I had to cut it sometime, but trust me, when you bite it, it's very, very tender. See me, I fight with it now. Okay? The bite is so tender. After show, y'all, inside this theater.
Applause for Spirit Team. Doy el aplauso para nuestro departamento de experiencia. Hola. What happened? Everybody say hola. Hola. Let's see the power. Vamos a ver la motivación. Just decide. Con la palma with the clap 3 veces, 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Just decide. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Sorry.
So the shows was good, y'all. It is after 11 o'clock and I am gonna, oops, the lights in the background. I'm gonna head to the club to see what's going on. I'm not gonna stay long because I really need to get my rest. I'm gonna want to wake up tomorrow to see if I can book a Sakura, book the hibachi or even the steakhouse for tomorrow. So let's pray for that. But I'm not gonna lie, the hotel is really, you know, very nice, very entertaining. They have multiple entertainments happening at once. So let's head to the club and see what's going on. Alright, me hear the club are going with things. Let's just see what's popping inside.
Ella quiere farra, 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 farra.
Y'all can't see me, but I think my room is so far away from a civilization. It's kind of annoying. And this is gonna happen every night because your girl will be going to the club all night. The club is fine. They just play a lot of expected music, which is Spanish. I mean, hola. Muy bien. Oh, thank you. Just hint, y'all, the elevator, it's gonna smell a little bit too moldy. Yeah. All right, so we reach our building and I need to go inside and give it a rundown for my alcohol. I'm NSC lost at this point. I'll catch you guys shortly. On the bug, if I open this door, the wall of them are gonna come in. All right, I'm gonna try something because, yeah. Oh my God, watch here. Y'all, if you open the door, these bugs are coming in. All right, so we're gonna hurry up because they're not coming in. So night one was a success because the food was good. Oh my God. Thank you, Lord. Like, I'm still thinking about that pork. and the sauce, the food was really good. So I am super glad, and we are definitely going back to that restaurant. Let me start off by saying I don't think I will come back here, and the main reason for that is because of the room. The room is just not up to my standards. It's not filthy, because they're rough. What do they call it? When they're clean, you just browse over the general, not deep clean. So that is my issue. So that's like the main reason I wouldn't come back here. I don't know if it's because it's my room or just generally that's how they clean. I'm just seeing like I'm seeing cobwebs. Cobwebs is literally right at the bed right there, the crease. The insects that I show you guys when I'm coming in, come on, bear in mind there is a peninsula. I'm not sure if they call it peninsula, but there basically is like a lagoon, or what them call it, one bag of bush and water and whatever. It's right there beside the hotel. So I understand insects, but bear in mind I have stayed at a hotel before that has the same thing in Jamaica. One bag of bush and water and all type of stuff, and I've never ever seen insect like that just swarm the door. So they're not doing what they're supposed to do properly as relates to the insect. When I was walking, you guys, I probably showed that in the vlog. When I was walking, there was literally flies or insects attacking me, and it's not me alone. Like, they're literally everywhere. I was passing people in the swim up pool, and the insect them just all over. So I don't know, probably just because the rain fell, they rise up. I understand that's nature, but for have those stuff at the door, and you know, as they opened the door, them come in, they came in, and I had to kill some, and there was some already dead on the floor before I came. So yeah, just the cleanliness is just not 100. Secondly, there's no wash rag in the bathroom when I came, and I packed my wash rag, FYI. I packed my wash rag, my bar soap, my conditioner, body wash, yeah, little, you know, knickknacks. But I'm gonna spray the bed with alcohol. The sheets, it looks clean, so I'm gonna have to give them that. But you know, to look at insect business, and then the thing is, I haven't taken off the top sheet to look at the flat sheet if it's like 100% clean. So that I need to check on. Onto the club. The club was good, but just be prepared to hear Spanish music all day, all night. He did pop in like a hip hop for like. He did pop hip hop for like what? Yeah, he did hip hop for probably like 2 minutes, to be honest, but everything else was just Spanish. The guys at the bar were very attentive to me because I literally just went there, stand at the bar, and then, you know, give them like a tip, and you know, they will cater to you. A tip goes a long way. So I brought like a lot of ones. Anyways, we need to go to our bed. It is, I've been up since Thursday. I've been up since Thursday morning at, I think after 7 or 7 a.m. I know it is Saturday morning, and we haven't slept since, so we are about to crash. As it relates to reservation, it opens from 8 a.m. in the morning. I'm not going to get up for that time, so the steakhouse, the battery is just going to pass me. I will try like a general restaurant that's open tomorrow night and see if food works. If not, I'm going back to the restaurant that I went to since night. But I hope you guys are enjoying this Ocean El Faro vlog so far. Like, I'm still excited to be here because when I was looking up the hotel, there's not really a lot of videos on it. So super excited. But the drapes them are the drapes in me for wash, okay? Oh Jesus. I'm leaving here Tuesday morning. And we're just touching early Saturday morning. So just think about how many days I'm going to be here for another 3 nights. And the room is not clean. Did I tell you guys about the sofa? It smelled kind of more like it was wet-ish. Well, I can understand that if I'm not a guest, you know. I'm assuming it's a guest that, you know, they're gonna sit and wet up themselves. They're gonna sit with their wet self in the sofa, on the bed, etc., etc. But with a little Febreze, the fabric material, some of them make it smell okay. And the elevator is so moldy. All right, I feel like I get too much negatives. This is not what this vlog is about. We're gonna head out. Bedtime, peace, sooner tomorrow, and that is all. Just pray for me in this not 100% clean hotel. Oh, I have to speak about this. I'm gonna tell us I left my alcohol at the front, and I did call guest services, and they said that yes, it's there. I went to get services, then the seat. So I'm gonna go over to the bellman and then say yes, them seat. And the guy who took up or assisted me in bringing my bag, he should know where it is, and he was calling him and he's not gonna answer. So I'm telling him, all right, then I'll link him tomorrow. I'm gonna tell him, say the alcohol here no gusto. The alcohol, I'm glad I buy the NSC, but I need it. Like, I can't believe I got up and left it, and I didn't even look behind me. I think I was just so over, like, waiting for the room so long. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.
A veces hace sol, a veces llueve, así se va a mantener el clima sólido y caliente.
This is the cyclonic season here in the Dominican Republic. It is normal for it to rain from May to November, but sometimes it is sunny. Sometimes it rains, so the weather will stay rainy and hot.
Gracias.
Entonces es normal que haya mucho pajarito en la noche, pero usted pone una toalla abajo de la puerta y un tramposo. Trata de tener la puerta cerrada siempre para que no le entre.
So it's normal for there to be a lot of birds at night, but you put a towel under the door and they rarely come in, and try to always keep the door closed so they don't get in.
Okay, gracias. Puedo tener una tolula para puerta. Puedo tener una toalla. Yeah. Toalla. Okay. Toalla para
Puerta.
puerta.
Para la puerta.
Toalla.
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 Tú. Ya.
Oh no.
Toalla.
Toalla. Okay. Toalla para la puerta. Okay. Toalla. Gracias.
Work it, baby. Stroke it.
Alright, so it's our first full day and we are all dressed. It's literally past midday right now. I was just chilling in the room and then rain started to fall, and yeah. So let's get into this cute fit that we have. We're in a one-piece set with this Shein pants and then my Steve Madden here, and my glass is Jacob's. We're just gonna head out. I'm gonna go to Mike's Coffee. That's where you can get, it's the coffee shop. So I'm gonna go there, get some coffee, and then get some lunch. We praying this food is gonna give today. We praying. This is a bag going with the fits. Yeah, every country where I go, I go walk my Jamaica bag. Then if you know where Jamaica I come from, okay? Period. I need to, I'm gonna find out. I'm gonna get the coffee like I said, eat, and then I got the front desk. I gotta go back to the bill band them for find my NSC. Secondly, find out how the taxi go. I want to try the KFC. Excursion, I'm gonna know how that's gonna work out because homegirl still ain't fully finished, and I'm not going to be comfortable in going out on a full day of excursion. And I wanted to go to the Sanaya Island, and I want to go in the water and this, and you know, my 2-piece, and you know how it goes. So if she now work with the program, we'll probably just stay at the hotel and just take taxi for venture outside, and just have that type of vibe. All right, we're hungry in an early. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Boy, you know you make me float. Boy, you really get me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope. Cause you serve me on a regular. Boy, you need to tie this rope before we drift 10 deep.
All right, so at the coffee shop, got some coffee. It's so good. What did I get? I don't remember. I don't remember what I got.
Work the middle, change position.
What's on the agenda today? I think we spoke about this already in the room, so I'm gonna need to go through that again. But yeah, the sun is out again. The rain, we call this man, and the sun out. The rain only like lasts for 10 minutes. No, let's put it to 20 minutes, and then the rain come, and then the sun come out back. So the housekeeper did I say in a rainy time, but I did Google, and they said starting like May, June, and you know you're gonna get rain. So I didn't know that prior to coming here. So no biggie.
You're 22. You're 22. Two at the hand. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22. You're 22.
All right, so we get alcohol. That is good. Lunchtime. Yep.
Put my hands upon you, baby.
Oh my god, I think I found the second meal that I like, the fried chicken. Oh my god. Y'all, the fried chicken is so good. Oh my god. Oh man. Y'all, the fried chicken seasoned. Like, oh my god, this is so good. It's so nice, y'all.
So ladies and gentlemen, let me present to you the best actor, the best. Señorita, chao chao Mickey Mouse,
Y'all, this rain is not giving up. My nipples are showing. Yeah, I need a nipple cover. Your girl needs a nipple cover. We don't want no stairs tonight, okay? We don't want none. By the way, I got many stairs last night, y'all. The people must say, I said, ooh, she's by herself. Instead of my stair pounding. All right. Nipple cover. Okay. First, we're gonna stop at Sakura. That's where they did the hibachi, and see if I went on the app. It's already booked, so of course you have to book by 8 a.m. in the morning. So I'm actually gonna go there for sitting. Can't squeeze myself in. You never know, since it's just seat for one. And I'll go to Steakhouse as well. So find out. Whoa, I'm just gonna fall. Find out if I can go in. If not, may I set my alarm? May I set my alarm? Because may I wake up tomorrow, forget those two. I only have 2 nights left today, Saturday night, and I'm leaving early Tuesday morning. So yeah. Okay, babes, this is the full fit. Y'all know this dress already. If you watched my Shein haul, you guys would have seen this dress, and we're wearing our gold slippers and gold bag. So we got into the Italian restaurant. I really wanted the steak, but he said the steak place is full. So I got in the Italian with no reservation. Woo-hoo. Yeah. So let me check what I want to order. Oh darn it, I left the other phone. I left the other phone in the other room. So I'm going to use the phone if I look on the menu and see what more. The fried shrimp, it smells. Now I ordered the fried squid, I should say. Let's taste it. It smells really good. Thank God it smells good. I haven't had much luck with smell at this hotel as it relates to food. I like the sauce. So we are back from dinner. The dinner was yummy. I am so glad that I had another decent night of food. Let's talk about the bugs. So I'm in building 15, right? So when I was walking on the other side, that's not close to the, what did I call it? Mangrove or whatever it is, the bush with them over that side here. The other buildings over this side, I'm not seeing any bugs outside the doors. So I'm assuming all the buildings along this side, the 14, 15, 16 and up, that's close to the bush, whatever, that's why we're having this insect problem. So yeah, so it's not like all of the resorts, it's every building along this side. Why did they have to put me here? And I don't know, I think I don't know, even the door looks like kind of old. I don't know, I think this entire 15 needs a little renovation. That's all I gotta say. And there is a stench at times that smell awful when you come in the bathroom. Sewage smell. So that's another thing I don't like. But anyways, dinner was yummy. I am super tired. I heard music playing down there, so at the back. When I checked, it was the privilege bar and just like 5 people there. They do have like a lot of stuff happening right now, but honestly guys, I am super beat. I'm gonna go lie in the bed and turn on the TV. I'm gonna try to see if I can make it to the club tonight again. I'm gonna try. I want to go to the club again, so let's see. I do want to go to the club though. I want to go to the club. I'm gonna push myself to go. I'm gonna see what's the other vibe tonight. If it's, I'm assuming it would be like the same Spanish music and all that, but at least the masses are enjoying themselves. At least, yeah. But when I go to the club, if I make it to the club, I'm definitely not gonna stay late like last night because I need to get up and set my reservation. I need the hibachi in my life, so we need to get up early to do that. We're just gonna go watch some TV right now because I'm tired. Oh, I'm gonna actually download the Uber app and check Uber from the hotel to KFC to see like how much it charges. And I forgot to, I need to ask them at the front desk how much for taxi as well. I'm assuming the Uber would be cheaper, but the thing is I don't have on any roaming service, no internet plan on my phone. So once I leave the resort, I ain't got no internet. So I'm gonna have to put on internet if I'm gonna use Uber, because I'm gonna need internet to order back the Uber, and I don't want to rely on the public Wi-Fi. I don't know if the KFC here have Wi-Fi, and I don't want to rely on that. So yeah, we gotta weigh the pros and the cons of using Uber, putting on service, or the taxi service. Good morning, y'all. So for one, we did not make it to the club last night. We got up like after midnight. We were up, but the laziness took over. But the good thing is I am up, and I got up in the morning for 7 a.m. Super excited. So now it's 7:30 and I'm headed to the restaurant to try to make the reservation for Sakura. So hopefully I'm not late and the line isn't long to make a reservation. But today we have a full day. It's Sunday. I was thinking to go into town, but it's Sunday, so I may would leave it for tomorrow, Monday. But yeah, we're gonna see if we're getting that reservation. Even if we don't get Sakura, at least the steakhouse. So let's see what is gonna happen for this morning. Agenda today, I'm just gonna head up, shower, and I think head to the beach the first thing in the morning, relax, eat, and pool. Yeah. Reservation is booked. Okay, we're gonna get some coffee first.
In my bed.